that is, ang hirap mag-English. Yun yung nagmamatter sa akin. That's the thing that matters to me. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel at loveleehesper. I miss you so much, my god. Because recently I uploaded more like 1-minute video. Yeah, so just 1-minute video and then with the background music, and that's it. Right? So I miss doing this, guys, and I really miss you. You know, mas okay for me, parang mas okay yung nagsasalita in front of camera para may communication, right? So anyway, I just wanna say thank you for the 1,000 followers on Instagram. Yay! Thank you to all followers, guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And also to all who subscribe to my channel. 200 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. I know hindi siya ganun karami. You know, I don't care if ilan lang yung views ko, ilan lang yung subscribers ko. It's not really important for me, the numbers. What important for me is I'm sharing my knowledge, my talent to you, and the happiness, you know, yung mapagpasaya ko sa ibang tao, yung masaya ko. So, ginagawa ko, nag-enjoy ako. Diba? Pero, sobrang thankful ako pag lagi ako nag-gain ng subscribers everyday, kahit pa isa-isa lang yan, sobrang thank you na ako doon. It means na-appreciate nyo yung creations ko, yung things na ginagawa ko. Diba? So, thank you so much, guys. And also, I have announcement for next month. I'm going to have a giveaway. Right? November and December, I'm going to do a giveaway from my own packet. Walang sponsorship, walang collaboration. Sa akin lang. So, for now, I'm just, you know, keeping those things or stuff na ibibigay ko sa inyo soon. Iniipon ko lang siya muna, guys. Bigyan niyo ako ng time. But yun, ang plano ko is next month because that's gonna be my birthday month. So parang treat ko na rin yun sa inyo. And also, December kasi it's a Christmas, right? So, sharing your joy, happiness, and blessings to everyone. Mas naniniwala ko sa ganun. So, yeah, that's it. So, moving forward, today's video, guys, we will going to do a Halloween makeup look 2018. This is gonna be a modern Scarecrow. So, anyway, without any further ado, let's begin. So, let's get started by using this primer from Maybelline New York, which is the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And next, we will use this waterproof concealer by DEETS. I'm just putting it to my eyelid, and to set it, I'm just gonna use this Air Swallows powder. I'm putting on my eyelid, and to blend it out, I'm gonna use this powder brush. Alright, so I'm gonna take this powder shade out of this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and place it to my transition area of my eyes. And next, I'm gonna use this A3 Wine concealer and put it to my eyelid using this flat brush. Alright. So next, I'm going to take this Hands shade and put it all over my eyelids. This one is really pigmented and one of my favorite shade from Jaclyn Hill palette. So to define the crease even more, I'm mixing these two shades, which is the Hands and the Jacks. So I'm taking this Soda Pop shade and put it to the outer part of my eyes, just to give dimension and just blend it out. So now I'm taking this Obsessed shade and spraying it to make it look bright when you put it to your eyelid, and to make it look dramatic. And I just want to have glitter on my eyes, but this one is optional. You don't have to do this, okay? Then for the lower line, I just use the Hands and Abyss shade. I just use first the Hands and then next the Abyss. Now let's move on to the face. I'm using this Maybelline Dewy look. Put it to my half of my face using this foundation brush from Milani. Now you can see the difference of with foundation and without foundation in my face. Now to make it look beautiful and smooth, let's use this Beauty Blender from Real Technique. And using this A3 Wine concealer from Maybelline New York, we are putting it to under eye, side of your cheek, and jaw. I also put on my eyebrow and then blend it out with Beauty Blender from Real Technique. Now to set it out, let's use again the Airspun setting powder to the area where you put the concealer. So moving forward for the eyebrows, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills shade Chocolate using this angle flat brush. Therefore, contouring, I just use this cream palette. To curl my eyelashes, I'm using this Milani curler, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And for my liner, I'm using this Spirit Halloween Double Liner. This one takes time because I'm having a hard time to make it even or balance, you know. For me, this is the hardest part. So for my blush, I'm just taking this bright orange from Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I just put it to my cheek. I use the orange color because I'm portraying Scarecrow, right? And now I'm doing the circular motion so I can get the looks that I want. Alright, so let's move on. I'm using the Soda Pop shade as my freckles using this thinner brush, and I'm just spreading out to my cheek. So for my nose, I'm using the Moo Baby face paint to make it look bright on the picture. Now I'm creating the teardrop shape on my nose. Alright, so after that, I'm layering the nose part using the eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics orange shade. Now for my lining, I'm using the same product, face paint. And we want to make sure that all the lines are connected underneath my nose. Now I'm creating a line on the side of my nose using the double liner from Spirit Halloween. Okay, so let's move on to my lips. I'm using this Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick. This one is a cruelty-free, vegan, and kiss and transfer-proof lipstick. Oh my god, I look like a cat woman. To make my eyes look pop, I'm doing the eyeliner underneath my eyes. And I'm placing a line on the side of my lips. Alright, and I'm creating a stitch on that line. Oh, I almost forgot that I'm wearing lashes from Kiss Lashes and mascara from Grande Cosmetics. So I'm also placing stitches on my eyebrow part and then on my forehead. Alright, so we're done to the face, and to complete this look, I'm going to wear this blonde hair wig from Fantasy Beauty Wig and the hat from TJ Maxx. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy. If you like it, just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the bell button so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, see you on my next one, guys. Thank you. Bye. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like